There it is. So today we're reviewing this portable car booster and jumper because I let my car die and I am stranded. So I went on Amazon last night and purchased this thing at around 12:30 in the morning, and it's already arrived less than 24 hours. So that's already a win in my books. So let's open this bad boy up. There we go. Whoops. Sorry, Leo. Sorry, buddy. So here you go. It's the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, and I'm looking forward to this thing. You got a battery warning right here, so let's unbox. $130 Canadian. It was on sale. It was originally $169.99 Canadian, but we got it on sale for about $129.99, and that looks pretty cool. So let's just pop that bad boy in. Ooh, nice presentation so far. And there's all the details back there. And yeah, I'm ready to open this thing, show you what it's all about, and then we're gonna go downstairs and jump my car. So let's open this. Plastic comes off easily. This thing also seconds as a portable charger for all your mobile devices, and it definitely charges quite a bit. So we're gonna open it up. See, start dead batteries. You can start those dead batteries, and it even has a flashlight. So let's open this without trying to damage the box too much because, oh, there we go, we already ripped it. Not good, not good. That's okay. Just in case, if Amazon screws us over, you can always return things on Amazon. So, oh, another box. Oh yeah, so this is the device. And this is where you would put the jumper cable connections. Inside, we got a little bag, which is nice. I saw somebody on the reviews, they were complaining that this thing does not come with a hard cover, but hey, it comes with this. Good enough for me. You can slide it in there and away you go. But not yet, because we need it. This thing is 1,000 amps. That's pretty good for a portable charger, jumper, flashlight device. So we powered it on. It looks like we need to charge it up a little bit. So we are gonna take a look at what else is inside here. Got the jumper cables, which will be handy to start that dead car. Positive, negative. And it has a micro USB. A little disappointing. I thought it would be a Type-C charger, but we got a micro USB to charge the device up. And let's see if we can test that flashlight. Whoa, that's bright. A couple different settings. Oh, there's a flasher. Yeah, all kinds of settings. Wow. If you have seizures, don't watch. I don't think I can say that. And, oh, last thing, comes with one of these little 12-volt USB plugs. I'm not sure what the reason for that is. Maybe so you can charge this thing in your car. Kind of smart, so we'll keep that. And we got some instructions. We don't need that. And we will charge this thing up, and then I'll bring it downstairs, and we're gonna jump my car. So we'll see you in a bit. So I've plugged the charger into my Prime Cables power box that I bought on Amazon as well. Link is in the bio. This one also can charge up to 100 watts. I use it for my laptop charger. Pretty awesome. But this is the charger. You can see there's a USB in and a USB out. We are going to use the USB in, which is where we're gonna plug this guy into. This thing is plugged in and it's just hanging out on this low bar. So it must mean it's not charged, and we're gonna wait maybe about an hour to let this thing charge up, and we'll see what it goes to. This thing is juiced up and ready to go. So let's take it downstairs and jumpstart that car. right, so here we are. Car is dead. So we're gonna jump this thing with our new tool. First, we're gonna put positive to positive and negative to negative. Red to red, black to black. Red first, black second. So it looks like we're connected and we're ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and press this power button, and apparently if everything is blinking, then it's connected properly. We'll hop on in here now. We're gonna see if this puppy works. So grab our trusty key and put it in the ignition. And come on, baby. Oh, it almost worked. Let's try it again. Oh, man. Okay, let's try again. I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas, I think. Oh, yeah, baby. It worked. That is awesome. Okay. So that thing works. And I think what you have to do now is take off the negative. Positive. And we got ourselves a working vehicle. This thing is quite the lifesaver. I'll be popping it in my car, and if anybody needs a jump, I will be the hero. If you'd like to purchase this NOCO Boost Plus, check out the description in this video, and there will be an Amazon link. You can click it, check it out, and purchase it for your vehicle. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day. I hope this fixed your dead battery, and enjoy the new product. Take care.